The Sharing Presence Workshop is a place in which we are invited to connect more deeply through presence. Through a series of powerful exercises, we are guided into a deeper state of shared awareness. We learn to connect without using words and discover the power of being fully present. We embrace each other through simple forms of communication and experience the silent language of our presence. We learn to remove the protective mask of our ego and discover the power of revealing our deepest essence. Join me for an experience of togetherness your soul has been waiting for.